In today's video, I'm going to be sharing my 5 favorite books about investing and making money. When you're first starting out, books are a great way to learn and super affordable. Obviously, coming here on YouTube is also a great way to learn and get tips. And thank you for being here. So, if you like learning about making money and investing and all those good things, give this video a big thumbs up and make sure you subscribe down below to Cashmere and Kava so you don't miss any videos, because I'm here every week talking about combining the law of attraction with investing. So we save money, we feel good, we feel high vibe, as they say, and we attract all the good things into our lives. All right. So without any hesitation, I'm going to dive in to 5 books in no particular order. Actually, maybe in reverse order of how I've read them. So here we go. You Are a Badass at Making Money. This, I listened to the audiobook. Like most things, I listened to the audiobooks first, but then I had to buy it in paperback because this book, I love it. And I'm going to do in-depth videos about like my takeaways from each book. But the reason I love this book is at the end of every chapter, there's like activities and prompts. So this has 4 activities. There are suggested money mantras at the end of each one, and then exercises. So you can actually like really easily take action on everything. And that, like, the ideas in this book I like as well, but that is my biggest thing. I love going through and doing the exercises. Okay. The classic, everyone talks about it for a reason, Rich Dad, Poor Dad. Not only, like, I used to be a CPA, so I mean, a CPA is involved in writing this book. Obviously, I've got to read it. The things in here are what I was also taught growing up. But I really like the how it goes into what an asset is versus what a liability is. And I do 100% believe in that. The philosophy of assets versus liabilities. Assets are things that are making you money, that are producing income. Liabilities are things you're spending money on. And not everybody sees assets and liabilities in the same way. But I love what that book talks about. And yeah, I'll do a whole video on my takeaways from it. But it is obviously a book that's talked about a lot for many reasons. I'll save that one. Okay. Tony Robbins, ugly mug. Money, Master the Game. Now, this book is like, it's, oh my gosh, it's so dry. Look at these pages, are like so thin, like dictionary pages. It's a very, very, I actually didn't, well, the book is marked. I did read some of it. The only way that I read the entire book was I listened to it. And it is really It's very good, and it's so big. And what was my biggest takeaway from this one? Why do I like it? It goes really in depth about practical things you can be doing that are easy. What I liked a lot about it was the mindset piece. That this is a story that sticks with me. Like, a guy was talking to Tony Robbins, like, oh, I want to be rich so that I can own my own plane. Like, that would be rich to me if I own my own plane, my own private jet. And Tony Robbins was like, well, okay, owning your own private jet costs this much per year, or it costs X amount of money, but you can rent a private jet every time you're flying somewhere for X amount per year. And it was a much lower figure. And there are just multiple stories about how Tony Robbins helped people reframe the amount of money they actually needed to make to live their dream life. And that was one of the big things that I took away from that book. Okay, another book that I love, The Millionaire Next Door. Surprise Secrets of America's Wealthy. And I haven't read this one in a while, but the good thing about this book is that being a millionaire doesn't look like what you think it looks like. Sometimes it does, but frequently it does not. And so I like that book because it just puts that different spin on things. The final book that I absolutely love, I don't actually have a hard copy of, which is crazy. I'm just going to have to buy one so that I can hold it up. But it's Get Rich Lucky Bitch by Denise Duffield Thomas. I have her book Chillpreneur behind me. And I'm in a bunch of Denise's programs, her Lucky Bitch Money Boot Camp, and I love her, just everything about what she talks about in terms of money mindset and the way she tells stories, and it's just very inspiring. I think Get Rich Lucky Bitch was the first book that I listened to by her. And I need to do like 5 videos about what I've learned from Denise Duffield Thomas. But Get Rich Lucky Bitch, the main thing I took away from that is just throw everything at it. So she does a lot with law of attraction and doing different techniques for mastering your money mindset. But mainly she's like, just throw everything at it. Just try different things. If gratitude journaling isn't working, try tapping. If tapping isn't working, or actually just try all the stuff. Just try. If you're wondering, will gratitude practice work for me? Try it. If you're wondering if vision boards will work, just try it. Like, just do everything you can to reach your goal. Okay. As I said, I'm going to do videos on each book, going in depth about what I really like about them. If you've read any of these books and you have thoughts, drop me a comment. I'd love to hear what money books you like. I'd also like to hear if there are ones I didn't mention. Obviously, there's so many. So tell me some of your favorites, because I would love to add more books to my shelf. But let's just recap. I'll drop links down below as well. So, starting from the top, you are a badass at making money. And we got Rich Dad, Poor Dad. The Millionaire Next Door. I know I'm now going in a different order, but we'll be okay. Money, Master the Game. And Get Rich Lucky Bitch by Denise Duffield Thomas. So, if you love learning about investing, creating financial freedom, making more money, all those kind of things, make sure you like this video, subscribe to Cashmere and Kava, and yeah, I'll see you in the next video. Bye.